Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Spotify username. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Spotify app. On the home page of Spotify, tap the Settings cog in the top right corner. Click on View Profile at the top. Now tap the Edit Profile button below your profile picture. Tap on your name to change it. Change it to whatever you like and then hit Save in the top right corner. Your Spotify username has been successfully changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.